in the real estate situation, the question arises as to who has authority to actually sell a property. There are a number of circumstances where the owner just goes ahead and sells the property. But what happens in the situation where somebody dies and there is a succession of ownership or not? In that situation, depending on how the home has been held title to. For example, if there is a living trust where everything is clear, then the succeeding successor trustee will be the person who will be determined to be able to sell the home. If there is no mechanism already, a trust or some other vehicle that has been used to clarify ownership after the death of the person, even a will not suffice. If there's a will, then it will undergo a process of probate. And the probate process overall can take anywhere from 4, 6, 9, 12 months at a minimum. So it also costs money to do that. There's filing fees, there's attorney fees, and there's court costs that are all involved in the process of probate. So probate is the process of deciding who can make the decisions. And oftentimes a property, a home or land is one of the major assets that an individual who passes on is passing on to those after that person dies. So this is a very big deal. So probate may determine a wide variety of different issues having to do with bank accounts, savings, retirement funds, insurance, and then there's property. So with respect to real estate, if it is very clear who the successor is, then it may not require a lengthy court process to make that determination. And it may be possible to very quickly have the court say, yes, this is the individual who is in charge and can make the decisions. And that person may either hold on to the property or may want to sell it as part of the entire estate. And in the case of selling it, if the individual who is determined to be the legitimate owner and person who can decide, the courts can give that person either limited authority or unlimited authority. And that is something you want to try to have, is if you are selling your property, you want it to be able to be sold as quickly as possible. So the unlimited authority will help to enable that to happen. So this whole issue of probate, non-probate, unlimited authority, limited authority, administrator of the trust, successor trustees, all of these issues can arise in the course of the death of a loved one or a spouse or a parent or a grandparent. So when it comes to real estate, you should choose someone who is up to date and knows what's going on and has a great team in order to make the whole process, if it does go through probate or even if it doesn't, make sure the whole process of the real estate transaction moves smoothly. And this is what I can do for you. I'm Dr. J. Sordean. I'm a realtor. I have probate and trust specialty training and certification, and I would love to help you with your real estate transaction. Give me a call and we can see how we might be able to help you out in this circumstance. There's a lot of little details that can happen that many realtors don't know about without this kind of specialized training and experience. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon.